future employer, I hope you will give me a chance to work in your family. By the way, my name is Lizelle Baguio de Lorico. I came from Philippines. I am 35 years old. A single mother of three amazing children. My educational background is I am a college undergraduate of Hotel Restaurant and Management. I have experience as domestic helper as slash nanny in one country in Hong Kong. I work in the family of four. Uh, there's also a Chinese family, two adults, two children, one boy, they are 3 years old, and one newborn baby. My duties is currently to taking care of their baby, feeding, changing diaper, and taking care of bath. And also the 3 years old boy, especially when I'm sending her to school and picking up, I am teaching her to identify the color, shapes, letters, reading the book, and animals, singing, and sometimes dancing. And also the household chores like cleaning, ironing, cooking, and washing the clothes, and car washing, and also do marketing. And that's my experience in Hong Kong, 2022 to 2024. I'm hoping that you will give me a chance to work in your family. I am fast learner. I can work independently, and I am very much willing to learn. And thank you so much for your time to watching my videos. And I am very much excited to meet you soon. And thank you and God bless and bye.